This is going to be a sad video for me, but you have to admit when you're wrong. Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Angela if you're new here, and today's video is going to be about why I'm going to stop only co-washing my hair. So like, I'm not going to just stop co-washing altogether, but I've been on, you know, of course, my natural hair journey for 2 years now, and well, yeah, just about 2 years. And I have transitioned to only co-washing my hair when I cut my hair in February 21st of this year, 2020. I did a big, huge chop where I cut it all off, as you can see. And I've only been co-washing my hair. I wanted to try what works for my curls, what works for my hair. So co-washing for me, I mean, my hair's been growing. I don't have any problem in that department, at least not right now. But I have noticed since only co-washing, I have itchier scalp, and my regiment usually is co-wash, and then every once a month I'll do a scalp cleanse, and I usually will use the the TPH Taraji P Henson line, and I'll cleanse my scalp. And I think I did an Aztec clay mask once, and that was when some black dye had itched my hair. I found out I was allergic to PHP and the black dye. Anywho, with that being said, your girl is going to switch up her hair regimen. And I hope it doesn't really change the way my curls have been looking. They look nice and plump and thick, and you know, I like that. So hopefully that part doesn't change. We're gonna see, because what I'm gonna do is I am going to rotate. So I'm going to rotate from washing with still a natural shampoo with no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, and things that are like SLS free and SLES free, which is what makes the shampoo suds up. I'm gonna still use that, do that whole thing. I wonder can this go in a ponytail? That's what I'm over here trying to see. So I'm gonna do that. So 1 week I'll do that, and then if I have to wash in the middle of the week, or you know, like I said, the following week, it will be a co-wash. So I'm gonna rotate. Oh gosh, y'all see me over here struggling. I'm just doing something as I'm talking. I just want to see would this go into a ponytail. Anywho, it really doesn't. Okay. So I want to do that, and let me see. Oh, okay. So I'm going to do that, and today I'm also going to. So I don't have really any shampoos here. I have two. One is this high slip detangling shampoo with flaxseed in it, with flaxseed oil. It's for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, sulfate free, color safe, red palm oil, cocoa butter. It's by Shea Moisture. I used it. This was on sale. This was on sale at Marshall's, and I should have known something because it was on sale. But it was on sale at Marshall's, and I feel like it really just made my hair dry. Which is what I didn't like about it. I don't know, it was just really dry. And I don't know, I may try it again, I'm not sure, but I didn't like that. So the only other shampoo I have here is the Care, which, since this is what I have right now, this is what I'm going to use. It does not have sulfate in here. I did read about that, so there's no sulfates in here. And I didn't see any silicones in the ingredients as well. So, but I remember using this on my daughter's hair, and I remember it still suds up, because I do use shampoo on Winter's hair because she gets product buildup. I have a whole lot going on with her hair, and I really feel like that's what I'm suffering from too, is product buildup when it comes to my itchy scalp, because I do have thick density hair, high density, and like this stuff is thick, and my hair shrinks up like no other. Like, I'll see, let me see. So like right now, let me see, that's my hair. It's still uneven, but as you can see, like, oops, my hair shrinks up like crazy. And so I think with that, it's like trapping products, and maybe, I don't know, maybe it was the co-wash I was using. I'm not sure. That's not cleaning my hair all that great. But anywho, we're gonna fix it. What is this on my nail? Okay, so we're gonna fix it. So that is why I am switching up my regimen. So today I'm gonna be doing a wash. I'm gonna be using the Care. Step 1, shampoo. This is the line they did before the line they have now. But it's a cleansing cream, sulfate-free, moisturizing curl wash. Got some oils in it, you know, the whole drill. So I'm gonna be using this, and I think, okay, so I'm debating on using this Alakai Naturals lemongrass leave-in with a gel or a cream, because I actually do gels all the time. I want to try cream. And just let you know, my styling is going to be a different video. I'm just going to wash my hair and deep condition it and show you guys, and then I'm gonna do a different video for the styling. So I know I want to use the Transforming Hair Mask by Heritage. This is sulfate-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, mineral oil-free, color-safe-free, cruelty-free, vegan. Is all the above. Her packaging is so pretty. But I probably will use this for a deep conditioner. So I'm about to jump in the shower. Well, first I want to show you guys how this shampoo is. I really do. So I'm gonna wet like my hair. And I'm still gonna jump in the shower. Don't get that twisted. I really don't do the whole oh, what's the matter? Had a kid malfunction. So, but my last stuff that I used, which was the Kinky Curly Out today, y'all, that stuff was amazing. It did really good on my hair. I really want to try a twist out on my hair. Go ask Ocean. I really want to try a twist out on my hair. I actually think I'm going to do that for my next style, because I always just do, you know, just gel and run my fingers through it and that's it. I really want to see how much I can stretch it out with a twist out. And yeah, I really want to do it that way. And it's going to be time consuming, but it's raining outside, so okay. So this is my curls now. One thing about my hair, it has been feeling very moisturized, which I love. Man, I can feel the gel on this stuff. On the stuff that was already in my hair. But I think I'm gonna do a twist out for my next one. I just have to figure out my products that I'm gonna use. This stuff is barely coming out because I guess when I use it on my daughter's hair, it got clumped up in the squeezy part that comes out. Does that make sense? Okay, so I just opened it up because I gotta rinse out the top in hot water. But so it smells good. It looks like it's diamonds in here or something. Like it looks really it's thick and it looks really like, I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Like glittery or something. Bless me. Okay. So I kind of just wanted you guys to see me adding this to my hair, the consistency of it. Oh, so it really doesn't, I mean, unless I just don't have a lot of water. I'm like, it doesn't really suds up that, like that. Because I was like, would it be in sulfate free? I know some still sud up, some don't, but. Okay, it's a little bit. Here it goes. There it is. And so we're going to see how I feel with washing my hair with this and, you know, and see how my itching scalp does after today and like another week with the products. So I'm going to hop in the shower, do the rest of this head, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick because my battery's about to die on my camera. I did not charge it up yet. But my scalp feels clean. My hair does not feel stripped. It doesn't feel dry and stripped. It doesn't look dry and stripped. So I feel good about that shampoo, not bad. So I'm now gonna go in with the Heritage by Mindy McKnight Transforming Hair Mask. So I'm gonna use this, and I am gonna be using my heating cap because like I have been slacking ever since my hair has been shorter. I've been slacking on the deep conditioning with heating caps. I've been doing like quick deep conditionings, or either I'll just leave it in for a long time. And I just feel like my hair reaches its maximum potential with heat added into my deep conditioner. I've also been trying to do scalp massages. I have been putting oil on my scalp 3 times a week at least, but I've been trying to get back into scalp massages. But this stuff is soft and it smells freaking amazing. It smells so good. And you guys know I always brush my deep conditioner in, so I'm gonna get my brush, go through everything, all the good stuff, and put my cap on and everything. But thank you guys for tuning in with me today. If you shampoo or co-wash your hair, which one? Let me know in the comments below. And also, what's your hair regimen? What's your hair schedule? I would love to know. I'm always learning and inquisitive. But be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.